Hello everyone, my name is Venusian Kalliope and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the 44th video uploaded to my YouTube channel and I just want to say thank you. And let's get started with this. Okay, so today's palette is like these darker shades of green. And maybe some aqua in there. Is this aqua? Someone in the comments, please let me know if I got this shade right, but yeah. And once again, I bumped my easel, which is fine. It's okay. I'm kind of in a chipper mood today. I guess I should let you all know that I have been saying better affirmations before I do these audio recordings for the video, and I'm just I don't know. I'm just excited and just generally yes, let's do this. And you know what? I am focusing on doing the hair today for this painting, or at least this is the focus of today's video visually. So it's just me going in with highlights, lowlights, and medium lights. Yeah, medium lights are a thing. But seriously though, I'm just doing what I want and how I feel like doing it. That's just how art generally is. I can't really describe it. It's like if you asked a duck what makes swimming fun, or what makes flying fun, or how does it work. And truth be told, I can tell you the basic gist of it, but it's about feeling more so than telling. And it's about trusting your intuition and just diving deeper into that. So, I decided that I am going to keep posting videos to TikTok, even though it has been kind of frustrating how, I hate saying I'm more popular on TikTok than I am on YouTube, but I really am. I actually have, more followers on TikTok than I do on YouTube at the moment, and you know what? That's okay. I'm 1,000% okay with that. Because, you know, it doesn't really matter. But, you know, I'm just gonna, keep going and just, do whatever I want to. To an extent, I'm not gonna be a jerk or do something stupid or inappropriate. I was raised better than that. God, why does this sound like a YouTuber apology video? But you know. But yeah, on my TikTok, I'm probably going to be painting tarot cards and just using songs that would describe the tarot cards. Excuse me, I burped a little bit. Yeah, I know. I burped, but it's okay. I had a soda before this. But yeah, honestly, when I was a teenager, 13, I used to be really good at burping, out loud and kind of obnoxiously, and I actually won a couple of burping contests. Granted, it wasn't that important, but it was just you know, it was between friends and it was funny. I thought it was funny. But yeah, I mean, I do kind of mer people a lot, and I will pause the recording for a moment because my dog is barking. I'll check if everything's alright, okay? And I am back. My dog was barking at our cats, which is okay. I mean, it kind of makes sense because, like, sometimes they, like, get into, like, little, like, play sessions that get a little too far, like, right before bed. And it's, like, kind of late at night. And I know what I'm saying. It's just, like, it seems like you've been recording a lot at night for this past month or so. And it's like, yeah, I have been. But truth be told, this is, like, probably one of the more quieter times that I have in my room to, like, record and just, like, sit and talk and just be like, hey, this is me. And, you know, everything is, like, fine with that. Or at least I'm fine with that. And that's all that really matters. But yeah. I'm also kind of excited because, like, I get to, like, do stuff and, like, I've been kind of, like, planning, like, these videos in bulk recently because, like, I have a big project coming up, and I also have, like, a trip that I am going to be going on. And by the time that you guys are all seeing this, I've already been on the trip, and I'll come back with, like, maybe more news on it in the community tab or something. Or maybe my TikTok, who knows? But yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go on a little bit more of, like, a rambly tangent right now. But, like, I have, like, these, bell-bottom pants. And, like, they're nice and all. They fit. They're perfect, except for, like, one major flaw. They aren't really hemmed. Like, it's just, like, there, and you can, like, see, like, the edges of it are kind of, like, fraying. It's, like, these need to be hemmed, so I kind of have, like, this pair of, like, platform boots that I should wear more often because, like, again, I'm taller when I wear these boots because they're pink. Well, I mean, not because they're pink. They're like, I wish I knew, like, the exact centimeters for it, but, like, they give me, like, at least 8 inches of height to my height, and I am kind of short. Like, I am, like, 4'10.5" on a good day. Like, yeah, I am pretty short. And you know what? I'm okay with being short. Honestly, it kind of, like, being short is great, especially if you're, like, at the front row for events. Because, like, you don't have to worry about, like, blocking the vision of somebody behind you. For the most part, unless it's, like, a small child. But then, like, most of the time when you're at, like, events, like, concerts or, like, comedy shows, heck, I could even probably wear a hat to most shows and in the front row, and everything would be A-okay. But yeah. Concerts are, like, good. I kind of miss going to concerts, actually. Like, I have, like, a couple of, like, souvenirs that I have from, like, concerts. They're mostly set lists, but one time I saw a show closer to my home, and I got a tambourine from it, and it's from one of my favorite bands, Daughtry. I say Daughtry, but, like, it is Daughtry. You know, that one contestant from American Idol that got 4th place, and then he was on The Masked Singer and got 2nd place, and it's like, that's cool. Honestly, I think he's, like, severely, like, underrated when it comes to, like, artists or, like, bands. He has, like, a band. He's pretty cool. But yeah. But yeah. I have a tambourine. And sometimes I put, like, my current, like, crochet projects into my tambourine because it looks kind of like an eye, or at least the outside of an eye. And then sometimes I put, like, crocheted circles in it, so it looks kind of like more of an eye. But yeah, I sometimes use it, but, like, I don't know. I just think it's neat to, like, get things sometimes, and I know that I'm, like, really lucky to, like, have a tambourine. But, like, yeah. And I'm just, like, lucky to, like, have things from events, and it's like, yeah, I'm glad I have this. But yeah, frick. I was going to say something, but I forgot what it was because, like, again, some things are going down, and I'm just like, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so I think I'm doing some face detailing here in a color that isn't even in the palette. And I just want to make sure that everything is, like, okay. And also, I kind of named this piece already, but it's not really the ocean figure, but I don't really want to, like, say what the actual, like, title is. But it is a song lyric, not a Daughtry song lyric. It's actually a Paramore song lyric that kind of, like, inspired this, but, like, I don't know. I just think about, like, the music I listened to a lot when I was, like, younger. And it's like, huh, that actually happened. But yeah, I know that, like, things have, like, changed in the past, like, 10 or so, or even more years. But, like, I feel like things are just, like, constantly changing. And if you don't, like, keep up with it, then everything will start, like, going, like, downhill or something along those lines. But yeah. I think I am doing, like, some pointillism on the tail legs. The tail legs, yeah. Where I'm, like, doing, like, little dots to, like, represent the scales. Or did I do that last week? Was it last week? Hey, future me in the editing chair, let me know. Did I do that last week or did I do it this week? Yeah? We have an answer? Good. But yeah, I know we're, like, approaching the end soonish. And we have, like, a minute or so left. But I just want to, like, sit in this moment and just, like, relax for a little bit. You can even take, like, this time to, like, breathe in and out and just, like, feel. You know, just be. And I am doing the hands here. Cool. I finally did the hands. It's, like, been 4 videos and I did the hands, and let us look at the painting for a moment. And neat. I mean, I think past me enjoyed this. And I think current me also is okay with, like, where the painting is. And here is the painting.